Unqualified method identifier is used when a method invocation expression refers to a method by its simple name. 51 character sequences formed from ASCII characters are reserved for use as keywords and cannot be used as identifiers. Another 16 character sequences, also formed from ASCII characters, may be interpreted as keywords or as other tokens depending on the context in which they appear. Reserved keywords are abstract, continue, for, new, switch, assert, default, if, package, synchronized, boolean, do, go to, private, this, break, double, implement, protected, throw, byte, else, import, public, throws, case, enum, instance of, return, transient, catch, extend, int, short, try, char, final, interface, static, void, class, finally, long, string fp, volatile, const, float, native, super, while, underscore. Contextual keywords are exports, opens, requires, uses, module, permit, sealed, var, non-sealed, provides, to, with, open, record, transitive, end. The keywords const and goto are reserved even though they are not currently used. The keyword string fp is obsolete and should not be used in new code. The keyword underscore is reserved for possible future use in parameter declarations. True and false are not keywords but rather Boolean literals. Null is not a keyword but rather the non-literal. A null is the source code representation of a value of a primitive type, the string type, or the null type. In the Java programming language, a literal is an integer literal, a floating point literal, a Boolean literal, a character literal, a string literal, a text block, or a null literal. An integer literal may be expressed in decimal, base 10, hexadecimal, base 16, octal, base 8, or binary. In the Java programming language, integer literal can be a decimal integer literal, a hexainteger literal, an octal integer literal, or a binary integer literal. An integer literal is of type long if it is suffixed with an ASCII letter capital L or small case l. Otherwise, it is of type int. The suffix large case L, uppercase L is preferred because the letter small case l or lowercase l is often hard to distinguish from the digit 1. I am Alan Young. I'm an Asian American researcher, inventor, engineer, and entrepreneur. My life story is available in my autobiography. I pursue what I really want to do in my life, which is advancing AI, robotics, human longevity biotech, and nuclear fusion reactors powered outer space tech. I sell a number of products online for commissions for financially self-supporting my cause of advancing science, technology, and capitalism. I personally use all the products that I sell via affiliate marketing or online recommendation. All the products I sell online are listed at alanyoung.dev/product. I need to stay lean for top mental performance. Being fat slows me down. Being lean speeds me up. Visit alanyoung.dev/fat loss for the natural diet, body fat loss product I use and recommend. I need to constantly program my mind for success. Visit alanyoung.dev/success for the Success Mind programming product I use and recommend. I need to handle my dating and lifestyle for success in my whole life, not just in business and career. Visit alanyoung.dev/dating for men's dating and lifestyle coaching product I use and recommend. I teach myself software development for developing and commercializing AI, robotics, biotech products. Visit alanyoung.dev/courses for my software development courses. I'm looking for accredited investors for funding my startup in AI, robotics, biotech, and nuclear fusion tech. If you'd like to invest in my startup, visit robocentric.com/investors.